Over 600 meals later, Alaskan snowy owls have a brood of 6 fluffy chicks and only 8 weeks in which to raise them. And over the next 2 weeks, they take full advantage of the Arctic's continuous light. Over 600 meals later, the parents' labours are starting to pay off, as the chicks stretch their newly developed wings. Just a month is left before winter returns. 2 weeks more, and their transformation is almost complete. The chicks' wings might at last be able to do more than just lift them from the ground. Getting there.